To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Disengage the fasteners. Once the tabs are free, lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AF3984 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose. Reinstall the sensor. Retighten the hose clamp. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.